Rosacea doesn't just affect the skin, it affects confidence, comfort, and quality of life. I've met patients who stopped going to social events, avoid cameras, and even change the way they live, all because of their rosacea. But it's moments like these when I see someone look in the mirror and finally feel relief and confidence again, that reminds me why I do what I do. Hi, I'm Dr. Edmond from Easy Skin Laser Aesthetic Clinic from Penang, Malaysia, and in today's video, I want to share my personal experience using Juvelook to help patients with rosacea skin, especially a type called phimosis rosacea. Treating phimosis rosacea is not simple. It's a condition where the skin can get thickened, red, sensitive, and often covered with visible small blood vessels. There's no quick fix. It requires patience, consistency, and a strong partnership between doctor and patients. The trust is so important because treatment isn't about instant results. It's a journey we walk together step by step. Juvelook has been a game changer in my practice. Why did I choose Juvelook for rosacea patients? Juvelook is a hybrid skin booster that combines hyaluronic acid, which gives instant hydration, with poly-D-L-lactic acid, or in short known as PDLLA, which stimulates collagen production. For rosacea patients, hydration is absolutely essential. It helps restore comfort, reduce sensitivity, and repair skin barrier. And with collagen stimulation, the skin becomes stronger and more resilient. Over time, this can soften some of the visible changes we see in phimosis rosacea. So it works on two fronts: immediate comfort and long-term skin health. When I use Juvelook with my rosacea patients, I noticed some consistent improvement. Their skin felt more comfortable, less tight, and less irritated. Hydration level improved, and that alone made their daily life much easier. Over time, the skin's texture and resilience improved, making flare-ups more manageable. Now, I want to be clear. Juvelook is not a cure for rosacea. Rosacea is a common skin condition that there's no single injection or lasers or medication that makes it disappear forever. But what Juvelook does is it helps restore balance to the skin, making it less reactive, more comfortable, and ultimately more manageable. And when a patient feels that change, when they wake up, look in the mirror, and not feel defeated by their skin, that's the powerful moment. Of course, treatments like this are never just one-sided. As doctors, we provide the medical guidance, the right treatment plan, and the expertise. But patients also play a huge role, which is avoiding triggers like heat, alcohol, and stress. Following good skincare and showing up for follow-up. It's truly a teamwork. And when both sides commit, the transformation is not only visible, it's emotional. I had one patient tells me, "Doctor, I finally feel comfortable leaving house without heavy makeup again. That's not just skin improvement, that's freedom. And to me, that is what success looks like. So, can Juvelook help rosacea skin? From my clinical experience and from several published publications, the answer is yes. It can make a meaningful difference. It's not an instant cure, but it helps restore hydration, build stronger skin, and most importantly, it gives patients back their confidence. That is why I love practicing aesthetic medicines. It's not just about lifting or anti-aging, it's about helping people feel comfortable in their own skin again and giving back the quality of life they deserve. If you are struggling from rosacea and want to explore treatment options, I encourage you to book a consultation with me, Dr. Edmond, at Easy Skin Laser Aesthetic Clinic. Every skin is unique, and together we can find the right approach for you. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe, and leave your questions in the comment section. I'll be happy to share more insights with you. Until next time, take care of your skin and take care of yourself. Stay confident.